Good morning. I'm meteorologist Paul Fitzsimmons with the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, New York. And this is a weather briefing on an ongoing winter storm system that we have affecting the area and that will be continuing to affect the area through much of today. So as far as changes since the last briefing, we've modified the additional snowfall map to only include additional snow that we're expecting today, basically from this point on, 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. today. We've expanded the wind advisory to include Otsego, Delaware counties in New York. So that wind advisory basically now includes all of our northeast Pennsylvania zones, as well as Delaware, Otsego, and Sullivan counties in central New York. So what we're expecting from impacts from this ongoing system: hazardous roads, dangerous travel from snow and ice covered roads. We're going to be dealing with very strong winds, especially through the first half of the day, and that could lead to tree damage and scattered power outages from the combination of the ice and the snow and the strong winds, with the highest potential for power outages being in northeast Pennsylvania as well as the Catskills, both because these areas have seen snow and ice as well as are getting some of the strongest winds. Also, blowing and drifting snow will be a big issue in many areas today, especially in north central New York. Brief whiteouts will be possible, adding again to very dangerous travel conditions in many cases. So to summarize how this is going to be unfolding from here on in, snow continues through this morning. It'll be heaviest and steadiest in our northern New York zones, downwind from Lake Ontario, up towards Syracuse and east along the Thruway. As we head further south, the Twin Tiers and southward, snow will be more lighter and intermittent as we head into the day today, but still lots of blowing and drifting snow. We'll be dealing with strong northwest winds continuing through this morning before gradually easing in the afternoon. And the snow will be tapering off and down to snow showers and snow flurries as we go through the afternoon and then ending tonight. Additional snowfall, here's what we're expecting. Again, as you can see, due to enhancement from the lake, our northern zones, places like Syracuse, towards Cortland and points east, be looking at 3 to 5, in some cases upwards of 6 inches of new snow for today. But the amounts really taper off to the south, with only another inch or two around Binghamton and much of northeast PA seeing less than an inch. Again, the other big story will be the strong winds. We'll be looking at peak wind gusts this morning into this afternoon of at least 30 to 40 miles per hour for many areas. Strongest in northeast PA as well as our eastern zones in New York, where we'll have gusts in some cases to around 50 miles per hour before those winds ease late today. So that is your weather briefing. Please stay up to date on the latest information by checking us out at mobileweather.gov or on the internet at weather.gov/BGM. Have a great day.